back. It's day number 3 in my Christmas calendar opening series. Yeah, and I thought we open the rock stamps dice from number 3. Alright, here it comes. No, tack för senast kanske. Thanks for last time. Oop, it is. Don't forget this one. See how it turned out. Tack för senast. Thanks for last time. So, there you go. So now let's stamp up some. Open this from Jessink. Number 3. It's like Christmas. Opening up a present. Oh. Go dear forgotten door. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See? With all those snowflakes, this is going to be great. Oh yeah. Yeah. I really like this one. So, Reprint, can you match this? Number 3. Put the stars along next to the others, so you can see that I don't cheat. Oh. Oh, I like this. You could match it for print. You could. Not the same, but I would say still at least as useful. Always press this too hard. Yeah, let's see how it is. Oh, very nice, very nice. So for day number 3, I got this one. Thanks for last time. Tack för senast. From Rockstamp. Oops. And I got God Jul och Gott Nytt År. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Jessink. And this lovely circle from Reprint. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow.